This is the third video in a series of videos that goes over the Desmos activity, Make Them Balance. It's called Make Them Balance. And this is the name of it here, and this is my name, Chili, Ina. This screen, these points here are from my work previously. I looked at this page already before. And I'm going to just ignore those points because that's previous work, and I'm going to try this as if I didn't see those points. We're going to do some different points. So let's take a look at what this screen says. It says, make it balance. Find 3 different pairs of X and Y values that will balance the hanger by moving the point and pressing try it. So this point we need to move. And then we need to click try it, and we need to get a check mark in order for the hanger to balance. So essentially these points that I've used work to balance the hanger, but this one does not. So let's try it and see if we can get a point that does not balance the hanger. Okay, that one does not balance the hanger. Let's now try again and see if we can get one that does. This one does. Okay, what's interesting about the ones that do work, let's try other ones that don't work. And then other ones that do work. So that one doesn't work. Let's try another one that does. Try that one. That one does not work. Let's keep trying and see if we can get one that does. That one does not. What about this one? That one does, okay. And one way for you, so I just did, try, check. But what you could do is you can come up with values for X and come up with values for Y, and then you would have an XY value that would work. So what I mean by that is you could say, all right, well, let's say X is equal to 7. So then 7, I've got 2 7s here because I've got 2 X's. That's going to be 14 together. And then, so that's going to be 14. And then looking at the right side, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3s. So that's going to be 15 altogether. The right side equals 15. The left side must also equal 15. So if 2x's is equal to 14, and y together with the 14 has to be 15, because this side has to be 15, then what does y have to equal? Has to equal 1, right? Because 14 plus 1 is 15. And then that'll balance the hanger. 15 on the left, 15 on the right, right? Okay, so instead of just, moving the dot and seeing, oh, does it work, does it not work, I can actually think it through and then find that point, right? Because if X is equal to 7 and Y is equal to 1, I can express that as a paired point, X, Y, right? And then graph that point, 7, 1, and then it's there on the graph. So you can, do the smart thing and think it through and figure out, okay, which points work, which points don't. So you don't have these X's here where you're just trying and you can't, find it. You can actually just think it through and do this mathematically. So that one works. And let's try it. Yep. It balances the hanger. The equation is equal. Great. So I think that is enough. We need to try 3 different pairs of X and Y values that will balance the hanger. We've got a bunch that do balance and that don't. One thing I want to point out before I end this video is that all the ones that do, if you connect those dots, it's a straight line, which is something that we noticed in the previous slide. So that's kind of cool to see that happen again. And that'll happen for all two-step equations. The solutions will be on a straight line. They will fall on a straight line, which is kind of cool. All right, so that's that for this screen. We're going to go to the next one in the next video.